Hello all, my name is Jur van Oorle and I've created a very simple flocking project in Unity 3D. For those of you unfamiliar with flocking, it's a simple algorithm to simulate flocking behavior in nature, which you see for example in birds, big flocks of birds or schools of fishes. There are three components that together create the flocking algorithm, which are alignment, cohesion and separation. Alignment causes agents to line up with close by agents. Cohesion causes agents to steer to the average position of neighboring agents, so they get drawn together by cohesion. Separation does the opposite of cohesion, namely it causes agents to steer away from the average position of neighboring agents. So the key word here is average, because you don't actually look at your neighbors, only at the average position and direction of your neighbors. For more information about flocking, you can view Wikipedia. I will post a link in the description. There's actually a lot out there. I just wanted to save you the hassle of creating your own XML parser and flocking behavior. Yeah, so we have the three components: alignment, cohesion and separation. They all have the minimum, maximum distance and the scale. Minimum distance is as the name suggests, the minimum distance between two agents for the rule to apply. Maximum distance is the maximum distance between those two agents. So anything that falls outside of these two values is disregarded. And the scale is how strong the rule is compared to the other rules. If I change these values, I can create various flocking behaviors that I can then save, and the next time I open it, these values are collected again. If I got something like this and I don't like it, I can hit reset, which means all the values are reset. And you can hit save changes again to apply those reset values. Okay, the core game object actually is the manager, which has some values, some variables that are used to create the flocking behavior. Flocking area is a transform that uses actually only the position and scale of a cube. I don't have any other support for any other objects, only cubes. This is in 2D, but if I change, for example, the Y value to 100, then the flocking behavior will be in 3D instead of 2D. So that's the flocking area. The UI manager does actually nothing except for binding together the canvas, so that's the sliders and the save and reset buttons, to the manager itself, so you can have these real-time changes. The game objects, this is a list of objects that will be spawned. So if you have, for example, 5 objects in here, you see 5 different flocking voids. Spawn positions is a list of transforms where voids will be spawned. So if you don't have any spawn positions defined, they will just be added random on the screen. Range is a random value that is added to the position of the void when it is spawned. And collection is actually nothing more than a transform that keeps your voids tidy in your project. Here, if I run this, voids will be filled, so it doesn't add up all over the project. And yeah, I guess that's actually it. There's also included in the project, in the asset package, I'm sorry, a list of yeah, all the different scripts. So I suggest you read that as well. And of course the XML parser is also there, so maybe you can use that in separate projects. I just, as I said, I just wanted to save you the hassle of having to create everything yourself. So have fun, and I hope you like it.